it's a little bit later in the day now in Plaza Libertad, and it is so much more active than before. We have live music and we have a huge crowd around it. I love how upbeat it is. I love the different instruments coming together. I love how people are getting into it, dancing a little bit. And for a Sunday afternoon, this atmosphere, so unbelievably fun. Look at how many people are gathered here right now. All around, crowds of people circling up with the music. This is great. Almost like it's like a mini festival going on right now. I was told that come to Plaza Libertad in the afternoon and this will break out. I didn't expect it to be as large as it is. This liveliness is exactly what I think of when I think of Central America. Just non-stop festivities always going on. People always having such a good time, trying to make the best of life, really enjoying themselves. And yeah, you see it going on all around me right now. You hear how loud it is. You see that it's not just one musician that's playing, the people are circling around. In Plaza Libertad, it's everywhere. There are probably 5 different groups that are going at this moment. One of the things that I really noticed is that people here are really trying to enjoy themselves, and that, you know, I feel like the happiness factor here is so much higher than other places that I'm used to, where it doesn't seem like anybody is in like a grumpy mood. Everyone's saying hello, good morning, good afternoon. Everyone has a smile on their face, especially in Plaza Libertad. So it really shows that people trying to make the best of their life and really take, you know, really appreciate, you know, the things that they have, and kind of maybe like even like use music as what's going on here as a way to kind of like as a coping mechanism for challenges in their life. I love the happiness here. this area that we are in right now, come afternoon times, a lot of artists come out to be able to show off their different pieces, whether it's removable tattoos or people who dress themselves up as if they're statues and they hold their pose, and it's really cool. And cartoon artists, and I love when an artistic element is brought into a city. It adds so much to the culture. Okay, I am honestly right now shocked at how much I am enjoying my time here. I knew that I would come to El Salvador and have such a great day, but actually being here after I have waited so long for this to finally happen and being able to see all the sights, and keep in mind, I've only been here for like 3 hours so far. There's still so much of the day left, but I am loving every bit of it, and I can't wait to come home to be able to tell my stories of being here to all my friends, to my families, to one of my close friends that is actually from San Salvador. And if I had more time, oh my God, there's so much more I could do, but you know what that means? That means I will have to be back really soon.